Hello, my dear students. How are you? You are watching my YouTube channel IP Academy. So let us continue here. Exercise 17th here and question number 8 here. So in this question number 8 here, ACB, that value we have to calculate. Come on, ACB. How you will calculate? You need to make a construction over here. ये construction आपको कर देना होगा ऐसा. ये construction मैंने कर दिया है. So what I told you, angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining circumference. जो angle यहाँ बनेगा उसका half angle यहाँ बनेगा. So obviously this angle will be here 70 degree here. Now this is 70 degree, am I right? This is 70 degree. तो ये और ये इसका सम क्या हो जाएगा? साइक्लिक quadrilateral. Let us say this point is P. तो ये 70 और इसका सम कितना हो जाएगा? साइक्लिक quadrilateral. Let me show you. This is the first part we have to calculate ACB. So angle ACB plus angle P is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason here that I am going to explain? Cyclic quadrilateral. So angle ACB that we have to calculate, I have so, and angle P that is given as 70 degree is equals to 180 degree here. So angle ACB is your 110. Am I cleared? Am I cleared this thing? Okay, so move to our angle OBC. So before we should move on, let me write this value ACB what we have calculated here. ACB that we have calculated is 110 degree. So move to the next part here, dear children. The next part is that what we have to calculate, we have to calculate OBC here. OBC. So that is very simple here to calculate OBC. Second part, OBC. Are you seeing this quadrilateral OBC? OBCA. So when we are working here, OBCA, complete quadrilateral here. So as we know that angle O plus angle B, OBC, right? Can I write OBC? OBC plus angle C plus angle A, that complete sum is equals to 360 degree. Angle O, what is the angle O? 140. Angle OBC we have to calculate. Angle C, come on, 110. Angle A, come on, 50. That is equals to 360 here. Right? So let us sum it. 140 and 110, that is 240, 250, 250 and 300. So angle OBC is equals to 360 minus 300, and your answer is 60 degree here that we have calculated. So now let us start doing its third part, OAB. So this OAB, so this part we have calculated as 60 degree. Okay, we have calculated 60 degree here. Now OAB, you want to calculate OAB. For that you need to make a construction. You need to make what? Construction OAB. This is the construction that I have made here. So now it has become very easy if we are going to look this triangle here. Third part, triangle OAB here. So my dear students, can I write angle O plus angle B plus angle OAB is equals to 180, angle sum property, right? This is very easy, angle sum property that I am using. So angle O, what is the angle O given here? Clearly it is 140 here. Clearly it is given 140. Angle B, let us say angle B and angle B and angle A both are equal. Let us say it is x plus x is equals to 180, or 2x is equals to 40 and x is equals to 20, right, is equals to angle OAB, right? So let us assume this angle is as x and that angle as x. इसको x assume कर लिया मैंने. So we can say OB is equals to OA, because these are the radii. Let me explain you more clearly. Actually क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया है कि सिंपल इतने वाले पार्ट को अच्छी तरीके से कंसीडर किया है. दिस इज आर A एंड दैट इज आर B. व्हेन दिस एंगल वाज गिवन एज 140, राइट, तो इसको हमने x मान लिया और इसको भी x मान लिया. सो सिंस OB एंड OA इज इक्वल बिकॉज दीज आर द radii, right? So this angle and that angle will also be equal. So can I write this way? 140 plus x plus x plus x is equals to 180, right? And this is how I have done my question over here, and I have calculated x. So x means that angle B that comes as 20 and angle A that also has come 20. Understood? Now here we are moving to angle CBA. CBA बच्चा यहाँ पे इतने वाले का आंसर कितना आ चुका है? 20 आ चुका है. Now they are asking to calculate CBA. So are you seeing this complete angle? This complete angle is 60 and the half of the angle, almost half of the angle is 20, right? So if you want to calculate CBA, if you want to calculate CBA, how you will calculate? This CBA, this is the fourth part we are doing. CBA. Now CBA, we can say angle OBC minus angle OBA. So OBC, what we have calculated? OBC, the value of OBC we calculated 60 degree. Okay, and OBA that we have calculated as 20 just now, and answer is 40 degree here that we have calculated. If you have any problem in these questions, to understand them you need to repeat my video and then you can very well understand all these questions here. And the remaining questions of this exercise and the previous question, that the link that I have given in the description box, you can go through it and you can watch all those videos so that you should have a better understanding. Okay dear bacha, take care and goodbye.